While Russia keeps putting cope cage on top of their tanks, the added protection is extremely slim. While first meant to protect from NLAW and Javelin's top attack, which proved ineffective, it was later argued to protect from RPGs or anti-tank rockets from an elevated position. While the flatter southern and eastern part of Ukraine offers little of these positions, the next claim is that the cage protects against drone attacks. But as we see here, a first-person view Kamikaze drone fitted with an RPG warhead can easily avoid the cope cage due to the limited area coverage and the height it's placed on. While there are many versions of this cope cage, it still leaves too much area in the front and back of the tank, which makes the tank into an easy target, resulting in what we see here, another of Russia's tank turned into scrap metal. That's all I had for this video. Please like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. Bye.